Today I'll be talking about Starbucks After Hours, an experiential marketing campaign. In the post-pandemic Philippine market, there has been a rise of experience-driven consumption among Gen Z and millennials, where consumers now prioritize memorable, shareable, and socially engaging activities outside the home after years of lockdowns and restrictions. Filipinos have shown a strong return to cafe meetups and study sessions, live events, and community gatherings. Third place culture such as spaces outside home or work and school, and support for local art, music, and culture. This creates an opportunity for Starbucks to launch a nationwide experiential marketing campaign centered on community, creativity, and in-person connection. Here I introduce to you Starbucks After Hours. The target market for this campaign will cater to Gen Z and young millennials, ages from 18 to 30 years old. They are mostly college students, young professionals, freelancers, and social media active consumers. They frequently visit cafes for studying, working, or socializing, and are highly active on different social media. They are interested in static and shareable experiences and highly enjoy live music, local art, and community events. Above all, they value brands that promote authenticity, inclusivity, and sustainability. The strategic objectives will focus mainly on four different areas. So first is to increase in-store traffic. Encourage more customers to visit Starbucks branches during evening hours through live events, interactive activities, and community gatherings. Position Starbucks as more than just a coffee shop by creating meaningful and shareable experience that resonates with younger consumers. Second will be to boost social media visibility and user-generated content. Encourage attendees to post photos, videos, and TikTok or Reels content using campaign hashtags and trending audio to organically expand brand reach online. And then to promote Starbucks as a third place. Reinforce Starbucks as a welcoming space for connection, creativity, relaxation, and self-expression outside home and school or work. Lastly, to support local Filipino talent and communities. Showcase local musicians, artists, and creators to build stronger emotional connection and cultural relevance within the Philippine market. Come for the coffee, stay for the moments. That will be the main campaign message of After Hours. Starbucks After Hours is more than just a late night coffee stop. It is a vibrant sanctuary designed for connection, creativity, and community. We believe that great coffee becomes even better when it's shared with people and paired with meaningful experiences, which is why we've dedicated this time to supporting local Filipino artists, musicians, and creators. By turning our stores into a stage for homegrown talent, we ensure that every night at Starbucks can become a memorable and shareable experience. So ultimately, we remain at third place, that essential place between home and work where you are always welcome to relax, create, study, and truly connect. To bring the Starbucks After Hours campaign to life, the execution will focus on transforming select urban branches into vibrant multi-sensory hubs that champion local Filipino talent and community connection. By leaning into the third place culture, the goal is to make the evening hours as synonymous with Starbucks as the morning rush. For the main act, we have the core event, the night stage. This is a weekly series of live, in-store activations designed to increase traffic during evening hours. First, we have acoustic sessions. These are intimate live music performances featuring local indie artists. They are designed to create a shareable and socially engaging atmosphere that resonates with our target market. And then open mics. These sessions offer a platform for self-expression where customers Students and local creators can perform. It reinforces the brand as a welcoming space for community connection. Lastly, art exhibits. This involves showcasing the work of local Filipino artists and creators within the store. By turning the cafe into a gallery space, Starbucks supports the local art scene and provides the aesthetic and shareable experiences that the target market values. These are the urban sanctuary mock-ups on what the stores would look like. Here, you can see that our installation will be focusing at central business districts in Taguig, Makati, Quezon City, and Cebu City. More specifically, first installation will be focused on urban and highly populated areas in Metro Manila such as Makati, Taguig, and Quezon City. Second phase will expand in regional hubs in Cebu and Tagaytay. Third will be the nationwide expansion to major urban centers. The final phase will include the Sustained Community Partnership Series. So you might ask, will after hours work? Well, definitely yes. The Starbucks After Hours campaign is strategically designed to capitalize on shifting consumer behaviors and cultural trends in the post-pandemic Philippine market. Gen Z and millennials are currently prioritizing memorable, shareable, and socially engaging activities outside of their homes. By transforming the store into a venue for live events and community gatherings, Starbucks moves beyond being a simple coffee shop to becoming a destination for something with culture. The campaign specifically targets evening hours, creating a clear incentive for customers, particularly students and young professionals, to visit during times that may typically see lower foot traffic. This optimizes store utility while reinforcing the brand as a welcoming space for relaxation and connection. It will be designed specifically for the viral sharing habits of Gen Z and millennials. And finally, by showcasing local Filipino musicians, artists, and other creators, the campaign builds a deep emotional connection with the local market. This supports the supporting local sentiment that is highly valued by the target demographic. And that's Starbucks After Hours. Thank you so much for watching.